Good morning, guys. Go ahead and fire up those cameras. Need more water. Okay. Awesome. Good morning, Lindley. Morning, Connor. Good morning, Austin again. Good morning, Ashley, Avery. What's up? Hey, Michaela. Hey, Caitlin. Okay. Well, looks like we have a full crew today. Now, I assume, how many people got my email yesterday afternoon? Put in the chat either I got it or what email?
I don't think I got that.
Ah, okay. Let's go look at the chat, see what the responses are. See, I got it. I got it. Got it, but didn't read it. Okay. All right. Technically, you answered the question. That's a good call. Yep. All right. Next time, reading it, throwing it out there. All right. Here's what the email said, though, basically. It's kind of an update, some important information, so go back and double check that email. And but the big thing was that if you weren't having any trouble, you didn't need to show up today. So if you did, why did Mr. Moore said to check your email daily, Austin? Boom, served. Okay, good morning, Carmen. So that's kind of the point, guys. Check your email daily. Now, really, I don't have an official plan for the day. I'm here to help you. What challenges does anybody have? Schnooker McFuzz Nugget. I need to reset that for that kid from second hour. Does anybody need any ed puzzles reset? Any troubles that you had? Put them down in the chat, or better yet, unclick that mic. All right. So, what you got, Austin?
I got a question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For the project, we just do like 5 questions or 5 things that we learned from those videos we watched, right? And then we'll record the Flipgrid.
Correct. There's that list of questions right now. Here, let's double check something. Let's go to screen share.
All right.
And let me go to, let's go over here. All right. And let's go to Mucho Flipgrido. What I'm going to do is I'm going to release a couple because I had some really good responses in the geometry class, but I haven't looked at you guys' class yet. So, educator, yeah, just log me in, yo. Okay. Okay, here we go. So, Algebra 2 with stupid desert thing. I got to change that. And math context project. Who do I have thus far? Wah, wah, wah.
There was a project?
0 responses thus far. That doesn't look right. Okay, well, here, let's do this. We're going to go back to Flipgrid. And geometry. Yeah, 0 responses. Okay. Apparently, y'all in Algebra 2 are not exactly what we call on the ball. So let's go to geometry because it's the same stuff. So here we go. Here are 2 projects I got from Geometry Kids. And it's literally the same project because they watch the same thing as you guys. Okay. So here, we'll just look at it.
Oh yeah, I just realized, like, I kind of answered my own question. I was wrong. There's more than just that.
Yeah. So basically, she does a great job. The other girl did like almost 5 minutes, but she did a great job. And both of them kind of stumbled over their words a couple times. Both of them, like one of them said the wrong name. They said John Deere instead of like John Bacon. But it's okay because the whole point is I just want your responses. Okay, so make sure you answer all of that information, okay? So good question. Good question there. By the way, did anybody have trouble with the delta math yesterday? No from a Lindley. Ashley is just moving slowly back and forth. Did anybody have any trouble with the delta math yesterday? No, verbal or nonverbal is acceptable. Okay, if you did, the only one I had somebody that had trouble with it was like the fifth question, and I put a little extra help video up there if you need it, okay, just like a reminder video. Also, did anybody have trouble getting on to Delta Math yesterday? Either put it in the chat or let me know. Okay, some of you, I swear, Hayden, your screen must be frozen. Okay.
Wait, did you ask if we got on Delta Math?
Yes. Like, did
Yes,
you have any
got
trouble
on there
getting
and did all the questions.
What's that?
No trouble.
You got it.
on
You're
there,
good?
no trouble. Yes, sir.
Excellent. Okay. The biggest thing on Delta Math, if it ever freezes on you or whatever, I think I've already showed you guys this, but let's just double check it real fast. Anytime you try to get in, and it doesn't work, you can do two things. Number one, hit this little refresh button up here by the address bar, and it'll reload the page. Second thing, you can always just type in deltamath.com into a new tab. Sometimes, guys, like, sometimes it has a bunch of shmoo behind it. Okay, can you see that? And if you've gotten to a place where it got stuck in itself, it keeps trying to go to that one spot. If you will just hit deltamath.com, oh good, it did it. So see, look, it froze. Yay. I hit the refresh button and I'm fine. Okay, that's it. That's all you got to do. Okay, so what questions, guys?
When's the Flipgrid due?
Avery, is that Avery that asked?
Yeah.
Okay, Flipgrid is due, well, you have the introductory Flipgrid that you may have missed. It's all the way back at the beginning, okay? And it's like, hey, my name is, hey, my class is, hey, my summer was, but that's easy, okay? But the one that Austin was talking about, that's due Monday after you watch the 5 things. For you, though, because you're late to the party, what did we say? Like by Wednesday was cool, I think.
That's fine.
Yeah. And, ooh, Avery, you're in 2 classes, right?
Yes.
So you only need to do 1 set of those.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Because
Yeah.
literally geometry and algebra 2 are doing the same exact thing.
Okay.
So you can just do one of those 2 things, but starting Monday, like we go different ways. Does that make sense?
Wait, okay, Mr. Moore, so you know how I like had trouble at first with the Flipgrid?
Sure.
Yeah, so where is the, I went back and tried to find the like introduction Flipgrid and I could not find it. Where is that at?
Awesome. That's a great question, buddy. Let's do it. Let's do it. Here we go. It's the one that says record a Flipgrid.
It's that one?
Yeah, the one that says click this picture, big arrow.
Hold on.
It's on slide 12.
That took me to the, wait. Oh, yeah. I never clicked the view 2 topics things. I thought they all took you to the same thing because whenever I click on it, it takes you straight to the math context project. I never clicked the view 2 topics. I was looking all over for it.
That we good though now?
Yep.
All right, as long as you're good, man, that's all that matters. Okay.
I have a question.
Yes, Lindley.
How do you turn in the screenshot of your Delta Math thing?
Oh, you mean
Like on the-
taking a picture of your work?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Let's do it. Let's do it. Here's the deal, guys. So you'll notice we need to take our little arrow. Boop. And in fact, I can just, Control X. And I'll put it here. because you also notice, if you looked at this red arrow, it also had a message about you didn't have to show up today. What, Connor? Okay, so in any case, so here's how you turn it in. Here's how to take a good picture. That's slide 21, basic stuff. If you want to do a picture, if you want to turn it in on your phone, okay, guys, this is the one you want. Now, Lindley, do you have Android or Apple?
I have an iPhone.
You have an iPhone, so you're going to want to use, you're going to want to use this one right here. Apple and Android, okay? So basically, it goes through a video of exactly how to do it. Okay, so that's how you take your picture with the Adobe Scan. You copy the link, all right? And then where do you put it? Well, where do we put it, guys? Turn in here. All right, so when you hit that, it'll take you to Classroom. It'll take you right there to the submission, and you put your link. If you want a link, it's here. If you want to put the phone directly, like if you want to put a picture direct from your phone, you can do it here, and then answer the questions. Does that make sense, Lindley?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. So, guys, that's kind of the point of this week, was getting used to the pictures and getting used to the process. So every single time that I want Delta Math turned in, you will see this little blue box that says, turn in here. Does that make sense? And it'll have a link under it that'll take you where you need to go. Good question, Lindley. One other thing, guys, while we're here, I know I'm screaming into the void of space, okay? And I'm not just talking to Austin, although mostly to Austin, okay? 15, 16-year-old kids, they do homework, say, Sunday night at 10:30, okay? Let's think about this just a little bit. This week, like, the world went remote learning, right? And so how many high school kids are going to be trying to access all the programs you need at 10 o'clock on Sunday evening? The answer is all of them, okay? So please, I know I'm screaming into the void of space and you're all going, I can't hear you. Okay, please have all your stuff done by like Saturday, okay? Because if you wait until 10 o'clock on Sunday night, programs are going to be crashing all over the place because kids are going to be hitting them, like just nailing all these programs. Be like, how come it doesn't work? Because you waited too long, okay? So don't do that to yourself. Do it early. Like, you can even pretend that Saturday night is Sunday night. And like, you can be like, change it on your calendar. Okay, whatever, do it Saturday, because if you have any troubles or questions, you shoot me an email. I can do one of two things. I can either help you fix it, or B, I can say, you have a free pass to Tuesday. Okay, if you hit me up Sunday night after I've gone to bed, I cannot give you an extension. Do you understand? Everybody nod or give me a thumbs up. Okay. So get it done. I mean, like, I'm warning you. Fair enough? So don't come to me Monday and be like, but. 9. Okay. So, what else? Any other questions, guys? Because like literally we're just here for questions. Carmen, did you have anything? Apparently not. Hayden, did you have any questions? Hayden, have you started your homework yet? Ah, there's a big pause. That was a pregnant pause, Hayden. All right. Caitlin, do you have any questions I can answer for you? Any trouble at all? Michaela, is there anything I can do for you?
No.
All right. Ashley, are we good?
Yep.
Connor, is there anything I can help you with, buddy? Besides the fact that you apparently like Notre Dame. You see that Notre Dame started like in person and then had to go remote because like the COVID? Wow, he sounds like the 1980s car talking to me. All right. You can put it in chat too. It's great. I got nothing, Connor. Okay. Well, with that, guys, if not, if you have a question, hang on the line. I'll be happy to answer it. Otherwise, have a great weekend. Get your homework done by when? Saturday or if you're Connor. Yeah. All right. Bye.